Hi, I'm Mike Tracey, Research Fellow, Science and Technology and Chemical Development at Cambrex Charles City. I've led many project teams where we had technology transfer leading to process optimization, moving towards process characterization that helped enable process validation. The overall process is always the same, where we take a process in, we run the chemistry exactly as written to help us identify opportunities where we can improve the process. We look at the overall safety of the process, looking at removing some of the hazardous reagents, moving towards trying to establish the best efficiency with our unit operations, looking at our raw material costs, trying to reduce some of those, and hopefully all of this leads to a more robust process. We have two different types of approaches. The first is what we call a developmental DOE, where we're looking at just trying to better understand the process in general to see what's actually affecting the chemistry. This allows us to better understand which processes we need to further optimize. And the second DOE approach is more towards process enabling studies, where this helps us to establish the acceptable ranges for each of the process parameters. We also get a model out of this that helps us to better predict what's going to happen in the chemistry. Whether we have a planned deviation or something happens in the plant, we know what the outcome is going to be.